I can look in my eyes, look in my heart. I have seen the sun.
We are ready.
Now I'm ready to rise again.
We're rising tonight.
Look at my hopes, look at my dreams. Breeze from the ceiling. Now I'm ready to rise again. Give me more, give me more.
Those fire emojis. Give me more, give me more, give me more.
Give me more, give me more. Give me more, give me more.
The poor Jabba. Tonight is that night.
Give me more, give me more.
Let's bounce.
Oh Lord, say there is no God. Oh, how good it is to know the Almighty Lord. Come on now. I know love conquers all. You're living in a hate. I said you're riding for a fall. Come on now. I'm full time now. We start killing one another.
Every day.
Every day is a murder. I'm full time now. We learn some lessons.
Black Lives Matter. Tell them.
Let them raise it. I'm full time now. We all recognize. There's shades and colors. Some from east and some from west. Come on now. Some from north and some from south. One thing I ask of this whole wide world. Come on now. Give me more. Give me more. We're desperate to need it. Give me more love. Give me more love. Alright then. Give me more love. Give me more love. So happy day to see Rasta. Rasta people, check your father. This is not a dreadlock thing. Divine conception of the heart. Hey, Rasta, just
For
here.
those who are wondering.
So happy day to be Rasta. This is not a dreadlock thing. Divine conception of the heart. Yeah, boy. Yeah. A Rasta, so Rasta.
Divine.
Yeah. Rasta. So happy day to be Rasta. This is not a dreadlock thing. Divine conception of the heart. Yeah. You know happy day to be Rasta. This is not a dreadlock thing. Divine conception of the heart. I want to charge Jamaica.
It's not possible.
It's not possible.
DJ Bash Reggae.
You are the strangers in the night. Getting to know each other the more you find. Storming under the moonlight. Hoping that we could get outside. And what the enter singing this song. I hold a feeling oh so strong. Never felt that could have been the eyes. I lift my head and wanna be surprised. Run around, trying to take a life from me. No, they don't seem to realize this love was meant to be. Only your love can set me free. I think I won the prize. From the very first time I looked in your eyes. And your love would last forever. It's a blessing to be with someone like you. And the ladies realize I am